Hello, coin lovers! Welcome back to Old Charles, your home for rare coins, hidden treasures, and surprising values. Today, we're diving into the world of Philippine currency with a special spotlight on the 1993 1 peso coin. Philippines money bag is this common-looking coin secretly worth more than you think? Let's find out. The 1993 1 peso coin was part of the improved Flora and Fauna series introduced by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP. This series ran from the late 1980s to the early 1990s and was known for promoting national heritage through designs of prominent Filipino figures and native species. On the obverse, or front side, you'll find Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, famous for his writings and role in the country's independence movement. His name and the year, 1993, are boldly displayed. Flip the coin over, and you'll see the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, along with the words Republica ng Pilipinas. The coin was made of nickel-plated steel, had a round shape, and weighed about 5.35 grams. It had a smooth edge and a diameter of about 23 mm. The 1993 version of the 1 peso coin marked the first year of the redesigned peso under this new series, making it a significant piece. It was widely circulated and used throughout the 1990s, before newer designs like the BSP New Generation Currency series came in during the 2000s. While millions were minted, the 1993 coin still has a special place in collectors' hearts because it was the first year of issue in this series, often making it more desirable. Alright, let's talk money. How much is the 1993 1 peso coin worth today in circulated condition? The kind you might find in your pocket or old drawer. It's usually worth Cuban peso 1 to 5 Cuban pesos if used. But if you've got one in very fine or extremely fine condition, collectors might pay between Cuban peso 10 to 50 Cuban pesos, especially if the coin is shiny with no major damage. Now here's the real treasure, a mint or uncirculated 1993 1 peso coin, possibly in a plastic flip or from a roll, could be valued at Cuban peso 100 to 250 Cuban pesos. Pesos or more ***, depending on demand and rarity at the time. Coins with errors, like double striking, off-center minting, or die cracks could sell for even higher, especially among serious collectors. You can buy or sell the 1993 1 peso coin through online marketplaces like eBay, Shopee, Lazada, or Facebook coin groups. You might even find coin collectors or antique dealers in your area interested in a trade. If you're a collector, always store your coins in a dry, cool place, preferably in plastic sleeves or coin albums to protect their condition. So, whether it's hiding in your old coin jar or passed down from a grandparent, the 1993 1 peso coin is a small piece of Philippine history, and possibly a hidden gem in your collection. Who knew that something so ordinary could carry value, not just in money but in cultural heritage? The 1993 1 peso coin from the Philippines belongs to the improved Flora and Fauna series, which was a redesign of the original Flora and Fauna coinage introduced in the early 1980s. This series was developed by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, to promote national pride through depictions of important historical figures and native plants and animals. Year issued ***, 1993 Monetary Authority ***, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP. Series ***, Improved Flora and Fauna Series Transition Period ***. This coin marked the beginning of a design shift from the earlier Flora and Fauna series to a more simplified, modern look. The front, obverse, side of the 1 peso coin features Dr. Jose Rizal ***, the national hero of the Philippines. Rizal was a writer, scholar, and revolutionary who played a vital role in the fight for independence from Spanish colonial rule. His famous novels, Nalimi Tanhair and El Filibusterismo, inspired many Filipinos to resist colonialism. Rizal's presence on the coin symbolizes intellect, reform, and patriotism. A verse ***, portrait of Jose Rizal, year of minting, 1993, and the word Republica ng Pilipinas. Reverse ***, the then new Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas logo, which was also redesigned in 1993. Material ***, nickel-plated steel edge ***, smooth diameter ***, 23 mm, weight ***, 5.35 grams. This was the first time this updated BSP logo was introduced to Philippine coinage. Following a rebranding of the central bank in the early 90s, first of its kind ***, the 1993 coin was the first 1 peso to feature the updated BSP seal and a cleaner layout compared to earlier versions. National identity ***, it was part of a national movement to modernize currency while still celebrating Filipino heritage. Circulation roll ****. It was widely used across the country throughout the 1990s and early 2000s. The 1993 1 peso coin remained in circulation until it was gradually replaced by newer coins from the new design series, 1995, and later. The New Generation Currency, NGC series launched in 2017 to 2018, which featured new metals, designs, and security features. The 1993 Philippines 1 peso coin represents a bridge between old and new in the country's numismatic history. With Jose Rizal's portrait and the rebranded BSP seal, it reflects both national pride and the modernization of Philippine currency during the post-Marcos economic recovery. The condition of a coin plays a huge role in determining its collector value. Below is a guide based on standard numismatic grading, adapted for the 1993 1 peso coin. Use a magnifying glass to inspect details like Jose Rizal's facial features and the BSP logo. Look for luster, shine, under a bright light. Avoid cleaning coins, it lowers their value for collectors. Consider using a coin grading app or asking in a Facebook coin collecting group for a second opinion.